In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp with Squarespace step by step so you can connect your sign-up forms, collect subscribers properly, and send your leads straight into your Mailchimp audience. This is a really useful setup if you want to grow your email list without manually exporting contacts or copy-pasting submissions from one place to another. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch your Squarespace form storage from the default option to Mailchimp and save your changes correctly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple website and marketing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace page editor and go to the page where you want to add your sign-up form. In the top left corner, click Edit. This opens the page editing tools so you can add or update content on your website. Next, click Add Block. This is where Squarespace lets you insert new elements into your page. From the block options, choose either the newsletter block or the form block, depending on the layout you want to use. If your goal is to collect email subscribers for email marketing, the newsletter block is usually the easiest option. If you want a more custom form, the form block can also work well. Once the block is added, double-click the block layout to open its settings. This is where you can control how the form behaves and where the submissions are sent. After the block settings open, look for the Storage tab within the Block Editor menu. The Storage tab is the key step here because it controls what happens when someone submits the form. Inside Storage, you'll usually see Squarespace as the default storage option. If the form is currently saving entries inside Squarespace, click on Squarespace or the default storage option, then select Disconnect. This removes the old storage destination so you can replace it with Mailchimp instead. Now look for other storage options, click into that section and select Mailchimp. This tells Squarespace that you want new form submissions to be sent directly to your Mailchimp account. After selecting Mailchimp, click Connect. A secure login pop-up window will appear. This is normal and it's the step that lets Squarespace securely link to your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp account username and password, then click Allow to authorize the connection. This permission is what connects the two platforms and allows your form data to flow into Mailchimp. Once the account is connected, you'll see a Mailchimp audience drop-down menu. This is where you choose your target email bucket, also known as the audience list where new subscribers should be saved. Select the audience you want to use. If you manage multiple lists inside Mailchimp, make sure you choose the correct one so your subscribers go to the right place. After that, click outside the settings panel and save your page changes. This is an important step because the connection won't fully apply until you save the page. Once saved, your Squarespace form should now send new signups directly into Mailchimp automatically. At this point, it's a good idea to test the form by submitting a sample email address. That way, you can confirm that everything is connected properly and that the contact appears in the correct Mailchimp audience. Testing your setup can save you from missing leads later on. And that's it, you've now learned how to use Mailchimp with Squarespace by connecting your form storage, authorizing the link, choosing the right audience, and saving your changes. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with anyone who's building an email list on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.